Hello, this is just a quick video on the Timex H cell. Always says it on the back here. How to set the time and the date on these things, because they're not always obvious the first time round. Here is a module that's come out of one, and it's going to be hard for me to demonstrate really, but the pusher, so it's on the side of the case, has a little bit cut off it, so it's not completely circular. You turn these, and by turning them they sit in here, and on this end it's more pronounced. As you can see there, it's flat on one side, so as you turn them they make contact in certain areas to set certain features. So if you've got one of these and you don't know how to set it, then this is the sort of thing you've got to do. If you take this right hand side pusher and turn it so that the semicircle is at the top, what happens is it fades everything out, as you can see there. And that really, all that's doing is resetting it, so whatever time was there before, it's now gone. And then it comes back like that as 12, nothing happens until you press, and then you can see it's flashing in the middle, so it's going to start from 12 o'clock. But obviously you don't want to set the time at 12 o'clock at night, do you? So what you have to do from this side is you turn this crown or this pusher so that the semicircle or the flat bit is at the top, so facing you, and then when you press this it alternates, as you can see, so it's flashing. Press this once on this side, 12, that is the month, what we're setting first. So here today is September, I've gone straight past it, and it's the 15th. Let's call it the 16th. 12 AM. So right now it's actually 11 PM. So and it's 11 PM exactly, actually. But you get the drift. So then if you wanted to set the minutes, you've got it. I've just pressed it again, now it's cleared back to that. And then to avoid any more confusion, you turn that one back round, so both the flats are facing down and the watch is set, so when you press this button you get your little light. That is how you set the time on a Timex H cell module. They're in all different ones. This one was also a H cell, although it's broken. Thanks for watching.